a lot more big rocks in there than anybody expected. This rock right here, he is estimating is probably about 400 or 500 pounds. And that's not the only big rock. There's bigger rocks down in there that haven't come out yet. And look at all these rocks. I know some of them are going to go different places in the landscaping. Some are going to be pathway stones. Some are going to go back to the pond. But there's several tons of stone here that was kind of overkill. And no way we can use all of those in the pond, even though the pond's going to be bigger. So we'll see what happens. Our little fishes home away from home in the garage. Kind of hard to see them with the bubbler, but got all the fish out, including the big old Plecostomus. And he's like the same color as the bottom, so I don't think that you're going to see him. But you can see some hints of gold here and there. Those are the ones that are going to show up in here in the garage. He also said that he saw the biggest bullfrog he has ever seen in his life in our pond. And he did not see the big old crawdad yet. So either he has moved or he's just hiding really well, but he's not going to be able to hide forever because the liner has to come out of that old pond too, because it has a leak in it somewhere. And here we are after the liner, all the rocks, the liner and the big waterfall have been taken out. They had to take a sawzall to the waterfall to get it out of there. And we are down to dirt. I think that's going to be replaced, that skimmer, but I'm not positive. And there were some big honking rocks in there. They finally got them all out. There are several tons of rocks right there. And look, I think I can get to my irises to get them out, maybe. I think that they were a little bit under that sidewalk as well. But here we go on this step. No, the purple light is not going to stay down in the bottom. And I now have another big planter, because this is the one that was in the corner right there. Was not cemented in, it was just sat in, so they were able to get it out. And so we will see where we go next. Okay, so yesterday the bottom got leveled out and dug out on the sides, and got some new parts and pieces put in, and we got the underlayment for the pond all laid out. It is much larger now than it was before. Definitely actually have filter and all the proper things, and there is going to be the waterfall, and it is going to be set down so that you cannot see where the water's coming from. So that is exciting to me. He is actually going to help me get this iris out because it is like under the sidewalk and I cannot get to it. Still looks a lot messy, a lot messy, but it's getting there. It's getting there. Here we are another day. We've got blocks going in and the underlayment is down and gravel's going in. I don't quite understand everything. Like, I don't understand this row of blocks here and then this one here, but I'm also not the expert pond builder. But there we go. Coming along. Missed a couple of days of showing you the video of where we were. You can see we got our Christmas lights installed yesterday. But this is really, really, really turning out nice. I am so happy with how this is looking. Stand out here, you can see just how large it's going to be. Our fish are going to have so much more room. It is definitely changing day by day. The steps that we'll be able to walk down into the pond are in. Capstones are going on. I think that the waterfall is getting worked on today. It's getting there. It's getting there. A few more steps. The snow has, well, the snow fell. We got like 2 inches of snow that I didn't expect at all on Sunday night. And today is Tuesday. No? Yes, today is Tuesday. And so he couldn't work yesterday. It was really cold today, so he didn't work today. But he says this is going to be finished tomorrow. Oh, look at my poor elephant ears. They hate snow more than I do, but that's hard to believe. So, finished tomorrow? We'll see. We'll see. And here we go. It is pretty well finished. There are some final touches that he's going to come today and take care of. All of this that's down here in this catch basin is just because of filling with water and the dirt from the rocks that was on the water and everything. So I'll be cleaning that out. But that's where leaves will catch, and I'll just take the leaves out of there. And it's actually really easy to get to, so that part will be easy to clean up. I did lose 3 of my little fish. You can see one of them right there when my person accidentally stepped on them and they broke. But I love this. And next year, with all the plants and everything that I'll have going on around it, and when the water is actually really clear, and so you can see the fish. Right now you can't see any fish, but I love it. Got the steps to walk down into it so that the grandkids can sit and let the fish come and nibble with their feet, which they love doing at our other one. So I am super excited and really, really happy with how this turned out. Now I just got to figure out what to do with all those rocks.